Imagine a world where your wildest travel dreams come true. Where every destination is just a click away, and every adventure is curated just for you. Welcome to Destination Bucket List, the ultimate full-service travel agency that turns your travel dreams into unforgettable experiences. At Destination Bucket List, we believe that life is meant to be lived to the fullest, one incredible journey at a time. Whether you're dreaming of sun-soaked beaches, historic landmarks, or thrilling adventures, we've got you covered. We offer personalized travel packages tailored to your unique interests. From all-inclusive resorts to bespoke cultural tours, from luxury cruises to thrilling safaris, your perfect getaway is just a call away. And the best part? We handle all the details, so you can simply pack your bags and enjoy the journey. Ready for your next adventure? We've got something special just for you. Visit destinationbucketlist.com today and register to win a free cruise for two to the destination of your dreams. Entering is easy. Simply visit destinationbucketlist.com, fill out the quick registration form, and you're in the running to win. Don't miss out, this could be the start of your next great adventure. Visit destinationbucketlist.com today and register to win a free cruise. Destination Bucket List, where your dream destinations become reality. See you on board. Visit destinationbucketlist.com now.